Hello everyone. Now we have to study third chapter and the name of the chapter is flowers and fruits. In this chapter we will have to study about the flowers and fruits and their uses.
We all like flowers. Why do we all like flowers? Because flowers satisfy our sense of touch, sense of sight, and sense of smell. They are the rare gift of nature for us. Flowers are used by us to provoke the feeling of love and happiness because flowers have the power to make people happy and cheerful. Now we should know that what is flower. Flower is a colorful and beautiful part of a plant. It generally has a sweet and pleasant smell. A flower develops from a bud, and the buds of different flowers vary in their size and shape. And when a plant bears buds, they are covered with green leaves, and these leaves protect the bud and help it to bloom into a flower. Flowers have different shapes and sizes. Some flowers are like a bell, some are like a plate or a bowl, and some are like a brush. Some flowers bloom singly, whereas some flowers bloom in bunches. Most flowers have attractive colors, but some flowers do not have attractive colors but have very sweet smell, very pleasant smell, such as champa, motia, and chameli. We see different flowers in different season. In summer season, you must have seen chameli, china rose, sunflower, lily, sadabahar, flowers blooming in gardens. And in winter seasons, rose, dahlia, chrysanthemum are commonly seen in the garden. So different types of flowers bloom in different season, and flowers makes fruits, and most of the fruit bears seeds, and these seeds in turn can grow in new plants. So we can say that a flower is the part of a plant that is responsible for making new seeds. And there are so many uses of flowers in our day to day life. We use flowers in different ways. Some flowers like rose, chameli, keura and lavender are such flowers which has very sweet smell, and these are used for making perfumes. Sometimes flowers are cooked and eaten as a vegetable, like kachnar, banana, and sesame flowers are eaten as vegetables in many parts of India. Some flowers are used as a medicines. Cloves are the dried flower buds from the clove plants. The oil is extracted from cloves and used as a medicine. Similarly, lotion made from arnica flower is also used to cure wounds and injuries. And rose water is used as a medicine and also for adding flavor to sweets and drinks. And these flowers are also used in preparing cosmetics. Likewise, flowers like marigold, genia, etc. are also used for making colors, and these colors are then used to dye clothes. Flowers are also used for making garlands, bouquet, and for decoration purposes also. So, we have now learned that flowers are also used to prepare medicines, cosmetics, perfumes, and scents, and these can also be used as decorative materials. So, it is important, therefore, to protect flowers from being plucked unnecessarily. We have already studied that flowers make fruits, and fruits usually store seeds and food in them. We eat fruits because they give nutrition to our body, and fruits generally have good taste and flavor. We already studied that fruit store seeds which produce new plants. And some fruits like mango, peach, plum have one seed, and some fruits like lemon, papaya, orange, watermelon have many seeds. And some varieties of banana and grapes do not have seeds in their fruits. We get different types of fruits in different seasons. In summer season, we get melon, watermelon, mango, lychee, etc. Whereas in winter season, we get grapes, apple, oranges, amla, etc. These are called seasonal fruits. There are some fruits like cashew nuts, almonds, walnuts, which are first dried and then used. And the dry fruits are used in preparing various dishes eaten generally during winter season. Bitter gourd, that is karela, jackfruit, that is kathal, brinjal, okra, that is bhindi, and tomato are some fruits which we commonly used as vegetables. Some fruits like mango, lemon, strawberries, etc. are also used for preparing pickles, chutneys, marmalades, candies, etc. Thus, fruits are very useful to us.